Turn it around so I can see the...
You gotta hold your mouth open, silly.
Was that good, buddy? Did you like that? Tell Daddy, do it again.
Hold your mouth open, go ah.
Ellis, go ah. Ah. Go ah. Ah. Say ah.
Go ah.
Ellis, say yummy. Yummy, yummy.
That's enough.
Yeah. That's probably enough, buddy. That's a lot of sugar.
That worked a lot better last time.
What do you mean last time?